Hi guys, today we are going to see how to conduct a class through online and how to attend the class online through Zoom. Say for example, you have to first get into your browser and enter zoom.us to attend the classroom. Then the class code will be provided by the person who is hosting the class. Then you have to enter the meeting ID, then give join. Then say for example, if you are using in mobile, then you have to follow these steps. You have to go to Play Store and type Zoom Cloud Meetings, then install it. After installing, it asks for open, just give open. You can also give sign up using Google account and get create an account. After creating an account, it asks for new meeting, join meeting, schedule share screen. You have to give join meeting to join a meeting. Enter the meeting ID and then you can join. If you like to organize an online class, then you have to give sign up. It's free. Then you have to provide your email address or you can also sign in with Google. After signing in, you have to give host a meeting with video on or video off or screen share. So there are more facilities in Zoom which can afford you. So I'm just going with video off. So now it asks for download and run Zoom. So you have to download the launching pad. So you have to give download. Once it's downloaded, you have to install it. So you have to give join with computer audio. Then you have to share this URL with the persons who you are inviting to join your meeting. That means joining your class so that they can able to join with you. So you can, if you want to start a video class, you can also start your video class here. If you like to manage participants, how many participants are there, you can also select it. Say for example, if you want to chat with everyone, say for example, if you want to share some messages like that, you can also do the group chat. First of all, you have to share this copy URL and share the meeting ID so that everyone able to join the class. Next, there is option called share screen. It lets you to share the main screen which you want to share with the students and interact with them according to which the notes or which the software you are teaching, whatever you are teaching, you can able to share it. So there is an option called whiteboard. So you can also use a whiteboard and teach them whatever you need. You can also text it whatever you need. You can also text it whatever the purpose you are using. You can also use it the Zoom classroom to teach them visually where they are.